Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about power of first class magistrate is fine up to 10,000 and 3 years imprisonment. Okay. First class judicial magistrate can put fine up to 10,000 and 3 years imprisonment, whereas second class judicial magistrate can put fine up to 5,000 and 1 year imprisonment. Then chief judicial magistrate can have a fine up to chief judicial magistrate can have fine is unlimited, any amount of fine, and imprisonment up to 7 years, and 10 years imprisonment is by assistant sessions court, sessions judge, whereas unlimited, that is lifelong imprisonment can be given by High Court, obviously Supreme Court, and Sessions Court, and also a type of Sessions Court which is Additional Sessions Court will give lifelong imprisonment and unlimited fine. Thank you, and thank you for watching.